Welcome students. Today I am here with second lecture of number system for class 9th students. Students, today I am going to tell you about decimal representation of rational and irrational numbers. From the lecture 1, student, it is clear to all of you very well about the rational and irrational number. Okay, now today I am going to tell you about their decimal representation. Well students, remember always there are two types of decimal expansion of a rational number have. Number one, it is terminating. Number two, it is non-terminating but repeating. Sometimes we are saying it recurring. Okay students, while there is only one type of the decimal expansion of an irrational number have, while there is only one type of decimal expansion of an irrational number have. What is it student? Which is non-terminating and non-repeating, or you may say non-recurring. Students, the big question arises how to understand these decimal expansions and their type. What is the meaning of terminating? What is the meaning of non-terminating but repeating or recurring? What is the meaning of non-terminating and non-repeating? Students, telling you one by one. The meaning of terminating, it says that the decimal expansion of rational number will end after some steps of decimal. So will end after some steps of decimal. For example students, you can see here, look, 3.245. see, after decimal it have 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, and it has been finished. So here I am saying will end after some steps of decimal. Will end after some steps of decimal, or you may say will end after some digit of decimals. Students, now next things here. In case of non-terminating but repeating or recurring, it will not end after some steps of decimal, but there will be some digit, least one digit. There is no limit for the maximum digit, which will repeat continuously. For example, see, this is here 3.2222 dot so on. See, in this decimal expansion, it is non-terminating. It means it is not going to stop but repeating. Here digit 2 is repeating time to time, so we can note it down it as 3.2 bar. Why it is bar? Here we are representing that digit by bar which is repeating continuously. So this is a non-terminating but repeating or recurring decimal expansion. You may take one more example. here 1.27 bar. This is the case of non-terminating but repeating or recurring decimal expansion, because this can be written as 1.272727 and so on, because here this 2 and 7 are repeating, so we may write in short it is 1.27 bar, while in big way we can note down 1.272727 and so on. So in case of non-terminating and repeating, how we can understand? It is will not end after some steps of decimal, while it will repeat by some digits after decimals. Okay, here are two examples, student. I hope you have got my point. Now students, the very big thing here I am going to tell you, decimal expansion of any rational number. It I have told you here, non-terminating and non-repeating. What is the meaning of this? Non-terminating means it will never end, and non-repeating, it will not repeat. For example, look at here, 5.10100100140 so on. Students, if you look to this number, this is a number in decimal. It is non-terminating because it is not going to stop at any place, while it is non-terminating also. Non-terminating as well as non-repeating. While it is non-repeating, reason behind it I am telling you. See here, digit 1 and 0 are repeating, but how these are repeating, this a matter. See here, continuously 0 is increasing. Here 0 comes once, here twice, here 3 times, here 4 zeros. So here continuously 0 is increasing. So this will not come under the case of repeating. So if it is not repeating, then what it could be? It will come under non-repeating. So here this is a decimal expansion, is in the form of non-terminating and non-repeating. Can we get any other example? Yes. See some other example here. 23.22322232223 so on. This is also any rational number because its decimal expansion is non-terminating and non-repeating. See here, digit 3 here digit 2 continuously increases. So it is the case of non-terminating, means not going to stop after some step of decimal, and non-terminating means no digits are repeating continuously. Here the digit whatever going to repeat, they are increasing in their size on the basis of their numbers. Well students, in this way we can get many more examples of rational and irrational number in the form of decimal. Well students, now I am giving you one question to identify the rational and irrational number if they are in the form of decimal. See it. Very interesting question, students. Identify, this is one example, identify the following as rational or irrational. Here are some numbers: 5.185, 2.34, 2.34 bar. The bar is in the number 4. Here 1.372, 0.293 bar. Next number here 0.3010203502091403 dot so on. Next 0.3333 dot so on. Next 1.412765. Next 1.393939 dot so on. Next 1.25. See here, students, I have given some numbers in the form of decimal. You have to identify that which are rational and which are irrational. See, students, here, see, after decimal it has been stopped, so it is a terminating decimal expansion, and being terminating, it will be a rational number, because we know that there are two type of decimal expansion of a rational number have. What are these? Terminating and non-terminating but repeating. While decimal expansion of an irrational number have, it is non-terminating and non-repeating. Well, students, now see here. See, the digit 4 is repeating, it is confirmed here. So it is of the form non-terminating but repeating. Non-terminating but repeating. So it becomes a rational number. Look to this. This is a terminating decimal expansion. Being terminating, it will be a rational number. Same thing here. This is a number in decimal form. Its decimal expansion is non-terminating but repeating. Here 3 digits are repeating continuously. So this is of the form non-terminating but repeating, means it is a rational number. Next, if you look to these examples, here the number is in the form of decimal. Here it is non-terminating as well as non-repeating. No digit is repeating and continuously it is increasing. So its decimal expansion type will be non-terminating and non-repeating. And this type of the decimal expansion exists for an irrational number. So this is an irrational number. In the same way, students, now see, this is terminating decimal expansion. Being terminating, it become rational. This is here non-terminating but repeating, non-terminating but repeating. So its decimal expansion will it is a rational number, and this is the case of terminating, being terminating, this become rational number. It is the case of non-terminating but repeating, while here digit 3 and 9 are repeating. We may note it down, 1.39 bar. So its decimal expansion is non-terminating but repeating. So this will be a rational number. I hope all of you are satisfied perfectly by the meaning of terminating decimal expansion, non-terminating but repeating, non-terminating and non-repeating. Students, sometimes to the terminate repeating we are using the word recurring. Recurring stands for repeating. Well students, I hope this example is clear to all of you. Well, now next important point I am going to discuss under this topic, students. Suppose you have been given a rational number in the form of P by Q, and how to convert it in the form of decimal, so that the decimal can be either terminating or non-terminating but repeating. Very interesting and important topic, students. Now you try to understand. I am going to explain it clearly. All of you note down the heading here. If a rational number is given in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0 and PQ are integers, how to convert it in the form of decimal, and to describe its type, terminating or non-terminating but repeating. For example, students, see here. Convert the following, downward arrow stand for following, rational number in the form of decimals. Also write the type of decimal. These are the question here, students. 1 by 8, 22 by 7, 10 by 3, 215 upon 19, 13 upon 7, 193 upon 4, 31 upon 41, 3 upon 20, 75 upon 120. Students, all these are rational numbers. You have to convert them into decimal form, and then after you have to write their type after finding the decimal form. See, I am telling you how to do. I am telling you some example from here. See, students, in these cases, if you have been given a rational number in the form of P by Q, how to do? Always you have to divide this P, which is in numerator, by this Q, which is in denominator. Okay? So, student, keeping this concept in the mind, I am going to tell you 2 or 3 questions from this set and remaining you have to do. Try to understand here clearly. Students, first of all I am going to tell you this 1 by 8. How to do? You have to divide 1 by 8. See, division is not possible. You point out the decimal in quotient like this 0 point and extend 1 0. Now divide 8 1 ja 8. What will come? 2. Now again division is not possible. Yet we have maintained the decimal, so continuously we can increase the 0. So it comes here 0. Now 8 2 ja 16. Subtract it, what you will get? 4. Now again extend 0. 8 5 ja 40. See, it has been cancelled now. So what the decimal will come? 1 by 8, a rational number whose decimal expansion is 0.125, which is the case of terminating, because after decimal it has been stopped. See, 0.125 stop here. So in this way you have seen that to the given rational number p by q, how to convert in the form of decimal and then how to tell its type. Well, now see one more example, students. I am telling you, suppose you have to do this 10 by 3. Try to understand 10 by 3. What it could be? Here we will divide 10 by 3. See, 3 3s are 9. Now 1 will come after subtracting. See, division is not possible. We will shift the decimal and extend 0. 3 3s are 9. Again 1 will come. We will maintain 0. 3 3s are 9. See, continuously the same remainder is coming. So this process will never end. So it will come dot dot so on continuously. 3 will come. So what is the decimal expansion of this 10 by 3, a rational number? It is 3.333 dot dot so on. I means continuously one digit 3 is repeating. So what you can note down, student? 3.3 bar. So this decimal expansion is here non-terminating but repeating. So this is a rational number, its decimal form is this and its type is this. Students, keeping this thing in the mind, you have to do the remaining questions, which is 22 by 7, 215 by 19, 13 by 7, 193 by 4, 31 upon 41, 3 upon 20, 75 upon 120. I hope, students, now keeping this illustration and complete explanation in the mind, you are able to do the remaining question. In case of any confusion, continuously you may put your queries so that I can help you in better way. Students, now this is enough for this lectures. All of you write it clearly and solve the remaining questions, and to get more lectures on this chapter number system, you can like and subscribe my channel so that continuously you will get a type of notifications. Thank you, class.